how to auto caption of Arabic into English in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to auto caption of Arabic into English in CapCut. After you open up the CapCut, now you import your video. Now here is the video. So the next thing to do, you go to the caption section. After you go to the caption, so here it says spoken language. So you click on this and select Arabic. After you select Arabic in this option, so you scroll to down under this bilingual captions. So you click on this and select English. After you select English at the bottom, then you click on this generate button. So after you click on generate, as you can see now, after some seconds, now it will give you the caption. So as you can see now, I'm using a music video. That's why as you can see now, it doesn't recognize all the voice inside the video. But as you can see now, the fact that it recognizes, it now give me two captions. So the first one is Arabic. This one is Arabic. So let's play and see. So as you can see now, if I selected this one, here is now the Arabic caption. And the second one is English caption, this one. So if I selected this one, let's go. So as you can see now, here is now the English caption. So if you want to get the only English, so the next thing to do, you just now highlight all the Arabic. After you highlight all the Arabic caption, here is it now. So just delete all the Arabic caption. After you highlight them, then go to delete button. So now I delete all the Arabic caption. So the next thing, you just highlight now the English caption. After you highlight them, then if you want to just add some style, you go to this option template. After you go to the template, so here you'll be able now to see different style for your caption. Now you go and select the one that you want to use. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.